Hi travellers, I'm Ian's daughter Laleko and welcome back to my channel. Today we're in the Cavill Mall branch of Build-A-Bear where the amazing Kendall is just selecting out and going to go through the process of building her bear, which she did carry home as carry-on luggage on the flight back to New Zealand. Look at all the amazing choices here. How on earth does one ever decide? Please consider subscribing to my channel as I post new videos every week, giving tips and strategies to help enhance your travel experiences. This is in the Gold Coast of Australia, so these prices that you can see are in Australian dollars. But there are so many different choices. Alright, let's watch Kendall build her bear.
Stop. Oh. Alright, sweetie. Can I put your foot on the pedal for me? Steady and on your side, so teddy bear's always by your side. On your tummy, so it never gets hungry. On your ears, so it always listens. On your nose, so it's a little bit nosy. On your hair, so it never has a bad fur day. And then on your heart, close your eyes and make a very special wish. You make a wish and give it a big kiss to make sure it comes true. Alright, and in it goes. Perfect, high five! Very good. Little Barker goes inside so Teddy Bear never gets